If you're an Xbox fanatic, then you need to mark your calendar for Gamescom 2024. This one's going to be legendary. Starting August 21st in Cologne, Germany, Gamescom 2024 will feature over 50 games from Xbox Game Studios, Bethesda, Blizzard, and more, all playable across 240 stations. Get ready to dive into exclusive presentations of Avowed, Indiana Jones and the Great Circle, and the jaw-dropping Starfield Shattered Space. But wait, there's more! Plus, stay tuned for a special direct event giving you an in-depth look at a beloved franchise. And for those who want the ultimate experience, join the Xbox FanFest in Los Angeles. It's going to be a roller coaster of excitement. So gear up, stay tuned, and get ready for the best Xbox event yet.